Good afternoon, everybody. I hope all is well. I've been working in the van all day again, changing things around. I had the bed long ways, slept on it last night, did well, slept okay, but I decided to try it sideways because I sat here and thought about so many different configurations. So I put it sideways, and lo and behold, I'm able to stretch out and sleep on it. So I'm gonna leave it that way. And because it's sideways, I was able to put a cabinet underneath it. This was in the divider wall in this van when I first got it. And I put my inverter in there and I put a speaker box behind it. Those are the main bed frame. I put a little bit of framework above the batteries over there so those don't get affected. And there's a piece over here that's holding the end of the bed up. I know there's many people out there who would say, oh, you didn't do it right, or I'd have done it this way. Guess what? I did it the way I did it, and it holds my fat ass, so it's okay. Anyway, still a little bit of a mess, but hey, making progress. I've got a bed. I think I'm going to put my fridge right here. Make it counter height, which means I'll have storage underneath it. Yeah, I think I'm going to like the way this is playing out. Because, see, in here there is, let me switch the camera, a big old counter box, whatever you want to call it. That's sealed off from the inside, well, except for these holes where the wiring came through, because there used to be a generator in there that you can access from the outside. I'm going to put one in it to run that. Anyway, so I'm going to put all my kitchen appliances there, coffee maker, burnt hot plate, burner, whatever you call it, air fryer, all that stuff. That's going to be my kitchen area. I'm going to put a fridge right here. And, of course, the bed, because, I like to sleep. Anyway, there's still a little bit of a mess in here. But I'm liking the open floor area. I know the floor is different levels and needs to be finished and all that, which is what this pile of wood here is for. That's some tongue and groove somebody gave me. The other side of it looks pretty good. That's what it looks like on the other side. So once I get the floor leveled out, that's probably what I'm going to use for now for flooring. Anyway, just another update, just in case anybody's actually watching and following along. Man, it feels so nice to be able to stand up. I've been hunched over in vans for so many years. I keep forgetting that I can stand up in this one. But I like it. Still a long way to go. Probably change it up again. I don't know. May or may not. I kind of like this layout and I like what I'm going for. So I did not get the fridge put in here today like I thought I would. But hey, there's always tomorrow. Anyway, I'm going to put on some TV and probably make me some dinner or something. I hope everybody has a wonderful evening. Happy trails.